Welcome to the ProtoART. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content. What's up, everybody? Here's a very quick demo on how to fix HandBreak's cropping issue if you ever come across it. So I bounced out a video doing a tutorial on how to master a track, and everything seemed okay as it rendered out of Final Cut Pro. However, when I brought the project into HandBreak to reduce the size so I can upload it a little quicker, for whatever reason, it cropped out the border. So I'm kind of showing you the before and after here. So you notice the border on the original is fully intact versus the one that HandBreak exported was cropped. So here's how to fix that. So in HandBreak, with your video already loaded, are going to go into your settings. Under dimensions, make sure all these values are set to 0. So 0, 0, that's going to be 0, that's going to be 0. And under anamorphic, you set that to auto and leave your modules at 2. And you should be good to go now. If you have any other problems or any other questions, feel free to ask and I'll try to help you out.